So good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, today we want to do revamping of wig. Eh? So first of all, we will need our hot water, ordinary water, our shampoo and conditioner with our dirty wig. This is our dirty wig here, and we need to revamp it. So first of all, our PA, my PA is here. So my PA, we will need to put a little hot water to mix it so to make it warm. It's okay. Wow. Yeah, it's okay. We should not go now. So after this, we will brush the wig. You can see it's brushed already. Remember, if you want to revamp, you need to revamp human hair, not synthetic wig. You can't revamp hair blend. Even if you want to revamp hair blend, ah, it's on God. Oh. So, secondly, our shampoo. Here is our shampoo here. Yeah. This one, the shampoo is just a little drop because it's too foam. So, let me shake it. Let me add a little more. So yeah, add a little more. Just hold it like that. So now you've mixed your shampoo there. So the next thing you do is to put your wig on it inside. Then when you are washing it, don't wash it as if it's cloth. You now be washing it. Ha, no. Just bring it out again. Then you can see the way I'm doing it. Ma? No. Bring the second one. Then after this, you keep it. Bring the second one. Open the door. Same thing as this one too. This is the very easiest way to wash your wig. That's all.